In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your Microsoft project into Jira. This tutorial is perfect for those of you looking to migrate or integrate projects between these two platforms. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can follow along easily, regardless of your experience level with either software. First, let's dive into why you might want to import a project from MS Project to Jira. Jira offers agile project management features that MS Project might not, such as Scrum and Kanban boards, making tracking your project's progress more visual and interactive. This makes Jira an ideal tool for teams looking to adopt agile methodologies. To kick things off, you'll need to have your project open in MS Project and Jira accessible. Since we're dealing with Jira, ensure you have the necessary permissions to import projects. You'll typically need Jira admin rights or similar access. Begin by navigating to your Jira dashboard. You're looking for the Your Work section. This can usually be found directly on the home screen once you log in. If you're not familiar with Jira's interface, Your Work acts as a hub for everything you're currently involved in or assigned to within Jira. It's a handy way to quickly access your tasks and projects. Once you're in the Your Work section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the Settings gear icon. This icon is your gateway to various configuration and setup options within Jira, including the import and export functions we're interested in today. After clicking on Settings, a menu will appear. Look for the option labeled System. This is where Jira hides all the system level settings that dictate how your instance of Jira operates, from email notifications to user permissions and, crucially for us, external system imports. Selecting System will bring you to a new set of options. Among these, you'll want to find and click on External System Import. This choice is specifically designed for importing data from other platforms into Jira, making it the perfect tool for our purposes. Upon selecting External System Import, you'll be presented with a variety of import options. Jira can import from several different sources, but today we're focusing on using a CSV file as our import medium. Click on the CSV option. CSV stands for comma separated values, a flexible file format that can easily be generated from MS Project. Before proceeding, ensure your MS Project data is saved in a CSV file. Next, you need to upload your CSV file. Look for the Upload CSV File button and select it. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate to and choose the CSV file you prepared earlier. Select your file and confirm the upload. After this step, Jira will prompt you through mapping the fields from your CSV to corresponding fields in Jira. This step is crucial as it ensures the information from your MS Project file is accurately reflected within your Jira project. The import process might take a few minutes depending on the size and complexity of your project data. Once it's complete, you'll have successfully transferred your MS Project into Jira, ready for agile management and collaboration. To recap, we started by navigating to Your Work in Jira, accessed the Settings menu, selected System, then External System Import, chose CSV as our import option, and finally uploaded and mapped our MS Project CSV file to Jira. Keep in mind, while this process is designed to be straightforward, you might encounter hiccups based on the specificities of your MS Project data or your Jira setup. It's always a good idea to review the imported data for accuracy and completeness. With your MS Project now in Jira, you can leverage Jira's powerful project management tools to drive your project to success. Agile boards, sprints, backlogs and more are all at your disposal, ready to help you manage and visualize your project like never before. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Importing your MS Project into Jira opens up a world of agile project management possibilities. Happy project managing.